Recordings in progress. Start from the top. This is my friend Kirill I met in Las Vegas here at a alternative investment conference. He's all the way here from Dubai. And I have on the call here Russ Meek, and I think Sterling's going to join us here. And I would like Kirill to explain what he does, how he makes money. And then I appreciate it, Kirill. Nice to meet you, and we'll look forward to your presentation.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Dan. So my name is Kirill. I'm co-founder of Infodriver Capital Fund, registered in Panama. So I have background of 6 years in crypto and blockchain sales, marketing, and development. And let me introduce the liquidity pool profit and how to earn on providing liquidity into decentralized exchanges. So if you check the Uniswap website, this is #1 decentralized exchanges on Ethereum blockchain. The top volume of daily trade is the USDC and Ethereum trading pair. They have like 0.3 commission, and they have like 170 million daily trade volume. So what we do, we run a fund. It's my company, it's my partner from Dubai, it's my partner from London. We have total of $8 million liquidity. What we do, through decentralized wallet on MetaMask, we connect our wallet directly to decentralized exchange. We choose the trading pair, for example, here Ethereum with USDC, and we choose the price gap. For example, our prediction that the price of Ethereum will be between 1,200 and 4,900. So if the trades come in between this price, we earn 0.3 commission daily. If the price goes less, we will have only one trading pair, because the rest guys will buy all of our amount. If we go on top, for example, the price become like $5,000 for Ethereum. So all guys will purchase our second pair, and we left only with USDC, for example. So that is why you need to have a lot of liquidity, not to lose one of the pair. So this is correct. What our fund doing, I already explained. This is our fund, Infodriver Capital. It's what we do. We do consulting in Dubai. We do different financial strategy and tools. The tool which I mentioned right now gives minimum 48% per year. It's 1 up to 2% weekly to our investors. It's 4 up to 8 monthly. We also do marketing. We have marketing team who do PR in Dubai. We run events. We also track the news inside crypto and blockchain industry to understand where we could invest, etc., etc. This is our team. This is two co-founder, me, myself, and Jack. I have like more than 12 years background working in sales in IT companies such as Lenovo, Hewlett-Packard, and 6 years background of blockchain development. Before I ran project for top IT companies, I tried to integrate supply chain into top cloud providers like IBM, Oracle, Alibaba, Lenovo. I signed agreement with all of them, and we have different prototypes for supply chain. Also, I'm an international speaker, and this year I was granted as a top 10 leading blockchain entrepreneur. So and my partner, he promote a lot of startups and fundraising more than 25 years in China. He speaks Chinese. He is from US. So this is the core team. Also, we invest in different projects. For example, we recently invested on seed round to scale protocol. What they do cross-marketing platform for arbitrage of the liquidity pools. So it means it could be easier to check the trends, to check the current market situation, and we invested in this project. We believe that the more professional tools will be in market, the more trackable and more stable it will be. Also, we support storing medical data on blockchain. We recently signed partnership with Imedis. Imedis is it's Netherlands protocol who store medical data on blockchain. This is our whole picture, who we are and what we are doing. So if you have any questions, just let me know.
Kirill, okay, so I'm hoping you got Sterling coming in here pretty soon. I'm at a breakfast spot. Sorry, it's a little bit noisy here. So my question to you is, it's going to be related to financials. It's going to be related. Can you please show Russ your account and how the trading goes and the profits and so on and so on?
Yeah, sure. The reason why I like blockchain, you could easily track all transaction if you do something financing blockchain. I just copy my wallet. I just put it into the Binance scan. So here you could track any transaction on any wallet if you know the address. So this is my personal account. And you could check what exactly I'm doing, where I'm investing, how much. For example, here is the token. Here's the value, how much I invested. And you could track this wallet. This is our fund wallet, OX77. And each week, I invest around $10K. If you check the whole, like view all. Let me do more pages. Oh, here we go. Yes, 1 week. Another week. Another week. Another. So it's more than 16 weeks. My personal investments is $160,000. So, and if you check the it means this is my return of investments from the same wallet. So as I mentioned, for our investors, we support 1 up to 2% weekly. Our profit is like 2 up to 4% weekly. So we split our profit 50-50. So this is our core idea, and this is really simple tool to track and to understand what's going on with any investor. For example, I have small investors. Let me check the wallet. This is one of the investor who put $10K, and each week I give them like 1.37%. It's exactly $137 each week. Yes, that's it. So if you just track the wallet which we have, you will see the whole picture of what we are doing. All our official wallets based on website. This is our Binance Smart Chain wallet. This is our Ethereum wallet, Tron blockchain wallet, and Bitcoin wallet. For example, my previous background was Bitcoin mining. I mine a lot of Bitcoin in Armenia, in Siberia. And right now it's even not so profitable as what we are doing with Liquidity Pool.
That sounds great. Kirill, Sterling Louvier just joined us, and Sterling, just to let you know, I'm recording this. So I know you got to meet Kirill at the Ash Lounge, and we got Russ on the line here, and he was just kind of going through one of the wallets, showing his personal.
Russ who?
Russ Meek.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
He's
Hey,
on
Sterling.
the line.
Hey.
There you go.
Hi, Sterling.
Yeah, Russ and Kirill met, and here we are. So, Kirill, if you want to go back to your account, kind of show Sterling this, and then he was just kind of walking us through his team and showing his personal wallet, about 160,000 in there, and then the trading commissions that he's getting every week because of the liquidity they're providing. And so, and hopefully we can get to meet your partner, Kirill, as well on the call at some point here. I know he's in Dubai, so.
So also I have a private channel of our fund where we put all news, what we have, like site updated, investment raising,
Nice.
new presentation. And I also put each Tuesday, this is our payment day, I put the numbers, what's going on with our pool. So for example, liquidity amount 150 and percentage paid 2.74, and current weekly payout $4,000. And you could easily track, you just click the link and you will see that 6 days ago the amount of $4,000 come to my account. And I have such report more than 16 weeks, week before. You see the pool is less and less because each week I put like 10K of investments.
That's it's almost like a Slack. Is that like a Slack thing for investors?
Yes, I have like 25 private investors right now who purchase our token. We also have our company token, or who put liquidity into the pool. We have two options. You could be part of the liquidity pool, or you could be an investor to our company token.
I didn't realize you had one. This is awesome. Amazing.
Yes, because we need to start from the bottom line, like from the beginning. We have a lot of options how to cooperate. I'm quite old into this industry. So, and this all story starts a long time ago, if you scroll up. So we also run crypto yacht parties in Dubai. We invite different opinion leaders. For example, Carl Tuvemoon is crypto blogger. Michael Terpin is international investor. He lives between Puerto Rico and Los Angeles. He runs Transform Group. Dane is Master Ventures Capital. So there are some other guys here. Verlin Santiago is my partner in Liquidity Pool. So this is how we do networking. This is the previous event. Here is Sheikh Mohammed. He is top 3 guy in Dubai. Here is like another guy who invested in Tron before. So
okay, we'll go back to the liquidity pool.
yes,
I mean,
yes.
What's the custodial process?
Process it's pretty simple. So as we registered in Panama, Panama is really friendly for crypto, and it's allowed to sign agreement between entities, between companies. For example, we sign agreement, and this is here, liquidity partnership agreement. We do it via DocuSign, where we put amount, how many you invested. We put the information that there is no time lock requirement, so anytime you could withdraw money back. You put your information like legal
Yeah,
name.
but who controls the distribution of the money or the the money movement?
Yes, nice question. As we put liquidity into decentralized exchange, we control it 100%.
Okay.
So how it works? We connect our wallet as MetaMask wallet. We connect to the pool and we click, I would like to put $100K in Ethereum and $100K in USDC. And I click upload. Anytime when I decided to put small amount back, I just put like this amount and click return back.
Okay, so that's your control of the money, but what controls investors' money as far as where money goes, whether money leaves the account, moves to other accounts, etc.
So once we have signed agreement, you send crypto directly to our wallet. This is our wallet. And
so it's your wallet. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, yeah. My problem is that there's no investor control where my money exists only on a ledger sheet that says you owe it to me. So there's no investor control. You basically have whatever crypto or dollars that go into your wallet.
Yes, it's like we sign agreement of asset management. You give us assets 100%.
Okay, but yeah, the problem is, Kroll, you have no regulatory authority which has teeth on you in the event that something goes wrong.
We have regulatory according to Panama law, and it's crypto oriented. And you could sign agreement directly with your US company or your entity, and you send the crypto to crypto wallet. So it's decentralized world, and you could do it by your own without any partners.
Well, I understand that, but it's not an assignment of assets where it stays in my wallet and you're basically able to use it like a credit card or a credit amount, and there's a segregated account. Our agreement exists on an Excel spreadsheet, in effect, that I have so many units and I'm entitled to so much interest based on whether it's in the asset account, and people are borrowing the use of that coin, or if it's in your if we're purchasing various cryptocurrencies. I mean, you carry your wallet around with you wherever you go, and it basically is effectively your money. And our only agreement is, and forgive me, from an investor control standpoint, I don't feel warm and fuzzy about enforcement with Panama law, because I don't have any Panama representation.
Believe me, Panama follow the US law 100%.
Okay, well, why use Panama as a intermediator? You know, why not?
Because it is the easiest entrance to crypto related processes. Because of money, because of license, because all setup and etc. And right now they have a super high growth and development of the country because they let crypto projects established their companies inside Panama. This is first one. Second one, so technically you put officially money to your Coinbase account. So you could send your crypto to any wallet you would like to. It's not forbidden by any government, any law, whatever.
Well, no, I know I can give money.
Let me explain. Let me explain. So you send those crypto to our wallet. We do trades according to smart contract logic on decentralized exchange, and you will track our profit, and we split this profit between you and us 50-50, and we return money back exactly to your wallet, and you withdraw it to your credit card, bank account, you pay taxes, 100% white process.
Okay.
The only problem to you is to trust me personal as the owner of the company or not to trust. That's it.
I understand that, but that's exactly my point, is that there's no third-party custodian on the account that
no, it's not in decentralized exchange. That's why you have super high profit, because it's 100 decentralized. It means, for example, if I do custody, for example, on Coinbase or Kraken, KuCoin, so if I move really big numbers, they could block my account anytime.
I understand that, but
in our case, it's 100% secured, and all the technologies manage this process. This is the cool stuff. Yes.
Yeah, so it's fine if I want to give you my money, but I don't know how I could put this on an investment platform, which is where the real money is. That's what I'm looking at, is that there's no third-party control of the assets. So let's assume that I wanted to, I've got a lot of money that's under our management, and if we wanted to bring this solution for additional income, to our base of portfolio of incomes, there's no way for me to have any investor control on this process.
Okay, I see. In such case, let me show you something. Do you know what is DAO mean?
DAO?
DAO, yes, decentralized autonomous organization.
No, I'm not familiar with it.
Okay.
But I'm sure you can send it to me. You have my contact.
Yes, sure. Oh, for top guys like you, in future, if you would like to jump into, there is the platform which called Aragon. So, and this is exactly built for those guys who want to track what exactly going on and what exactly happening with their crypto budget. So it means you put amount which you would like to invest into the strategy. You click approve, and you track what exactly happening with account. If you see something wrong or something not according to the approved strategy, you could click withdraw back and the money return back to your account.
Okay.
It's just CRM system for crypto smart contracts.
Okay, so you're saying if for some reason you violate the covenants, I can pull the money back?
Exactly, with one click without any problem. Because everything what we do based on smart contracts. And if you are the owner of the wallet, it means you could click withdrawal anytime.
Okay, you can send me that and I'll take a look at it. All right, so
Yeah, but just for understanding, those solution, if we decided to come like more smooth into cooperation, those solution, it's like CRM system, white label. It's 100% protected. It's audited by all top companies, even from US. But when we decided to do it, we need to spend at least 2 weeks to create the logic, to build the tech of those ecosystem, because it's like white label and you need to build your own solution according to each customer's request. But we could do it in case if we seriously want to jump into those negotiations.
okay, so all right. Well, that's good that you have a solution. That I mean, yeah.
Believe in crypto world, it's the same world as classical finance. They just go digital. That's it.
Well, you realize the NASDAQ is digital, right?
Yes, crypto digital. Okay, crypto digital. Because for NASDAQ, you could not track what exactly happened on NASDAQ. In blockchain, you could track any wallet if you have it. So you could track how many money I have on my account, when I send it, what I've done it, etc., etc. So this is the beauty of blockchain.
Okay, so all right, so let's assume that I don't want to invest in crypto, but I want to invest in the asset account. How is that making money?
What is asset account?
Well, you're saying there is a
liquidity
account.
Yeah, he's talking about, I think, something he missed on the open of the call, where you work within the margin and it's purely the commission on each trade. It has nothing to do with the actual principal.
Exactly.
Correct.
Okay, let me return to the basics. What we are doing. So we provide liquidity into decentralized exchanges. For example, there is trading pair USDC to Ethereum on Uniswap. Uniswap #1 decentralized exchange for Ethereum tokens. So, and there are like $170 million daily trade on this specific trading pair. And what we do, we provide liquidity to it. That's it. And we earn 0.3% commission daily. It's 9% per month.
9% a month.
Yes, this is actually, you could do it even yourself. You connect your wallet and you put liquidity. But the problem is, then you support liquidity, you need to have a huge amount of liquidity.
How much is huge?
Not for you, probably not huge. From our case, we have $8 million liquidity. So, and we put the range between this amount to this amount. If the price goes less, we don't earn the profit. And if the price go up, we don't earn the profit. And we lose one pair, one coin or another coin, because other guys will buy all of our balance, Ethereum balance or USDC balance.
Okay, so you are owning the coins in that account, and you do have a problem with the standpoint of the fluctuation of the price.
Exactly. But once you have,
You don't own the coin.
no, we own the coin. We just imagine our fund 8 million. We have 4 million in Ethereum and 4 million in USDC. You as a trader, you come to the pool of Uniswap and you would like to buy 1 Ethereum. You put amount for USDC and you take Ethereum from us and we have more USDC. And this is the balance. Traders trade on our liquidity. That is why this is liquidity pool. We provide liquidity. We provide initial crypto. And other guys are trading with our crypto.
Okay, so how do you counterbalance the fluctuation of the price? Let's assume that we get into a bear market and crypto takes a dive. How do you hedge the loss?
We do not hedge the loss. The reason why, we have investors who provide us Ethereum. And we have investors like you in future who provide us stable coins. If you give me $100K, it's still $100K and nothing will happen with it. If you provide us Ethereum, you will still have Ethereum. It's your losses if Ethereum goes down.
As long as I'm providing you stable coin, I don't take any loss.
Right.
Exactly.
All right. And so in the process of providing liquidity, okay, we're still taking in, you're still taking in crypto coin in exchange for dollars in the liquidity pool. But the moment you do that, then you now own the coin, right?
Not correct. So you send us crypto,
Right.
USDC, and we put inside the pool. That's it.
Right. Okay.
So it's 100% ownership because we attach it through our wallet, and anytime we could withdraw it back. One click and money goes back.
Okay. So okay. So I'm exchanging dollars for a stable coin. What is that stable coin called?
All stable coin equal $1. There are like USDC, USDT, BUSD, whatever.
Okay.
You go to Trust Wallet and purchase USDC, or you go to Binance and purchase BUSD, or you go to, I don't know, any other application and you buy stable coin. That's it. And you sign agreement that you provide a stable coin and we return back your profit in stable coin. And if you want to return initial investments, you request it, and within 2 weeks, we return initial investments. That's it.
Okay. So 9% a month. So 118% a year, basically, is what you're saying. Is that correct? 108%.
Let me explain. Platform gives us 9% per month. If you times 9% per month, 9 times 12, it will be 108.
Right.
So, but for our investors, we support 4 up to 8% per month, because we also fix our potential risks if the commission will be less, and we sign agreement. We earn money. We earn like 50% of profit. So agreement between any investors is not like 9% per month. It's 4 up to 8.
Got it.
In this range.
All right.
Yeah.
So what can you send me to educate me on the process?
No, I already educate you.
So you set up a Coinbase account. You send your money into Coinbase. I have a Gemini account. I got a PayPal account. So Kirill is suggesting Coinbase, and then
it doesn't matter. Gemini is also okay. Any crypto wallet is affordable.
Yeah, that's good. And so Coinbase, everybody knows Coinbase. the Winklevoss set up Gemini, but it's in London. But you put your 10 grand in, and then you buy the USD, and then you link that wallet with the fund, and then we're good to go. Every week they pay out.
Yes. If you want to educate yourself how to do yourself, actually, we wouldn't do it, because otherwise we teach you how to run business, which we are engaged.
I have other things I want to do. So I don't.
Yes,
I don't-
exactly.
I ran money for more than 20 years. I don't want to run money anymore.
Okay, I'll let to run money for new guys.
You
And
run the money,
just
Kirill.
have passive income. That's it.
How are the taxes handled?
For taxes, once you receive each week the crypto to your account, and once you decided to withdraw it on your bank account, you pay profit taxes. That's it. It's
You
on
have-
your turn.
Do you have any sort of audit or some kind of reconciliation of the accounts that you can share?
What exactly you mean?
Well, I mean, I'm just, is there a governing body that sort of audits or comes in and looks?
Not actually. What we are doing, so as everything is decentralized, the only what we need to do is just sign agreement with you that you are a real person, you support us, copy of your passport, residential, whatever, and that's it. So we do not do any audit or whatever, because once you decided to withdraw it back to your bank account, this is on your turn. You need to pay taxes. You need to explain where the money comes in. For you, it's pretty simple. You put your money officially through bank account to your Gemini, to your Coinbase, whatever, officially. You send to existing wallet of Panama account. You sign the contract, and they return you back according to the contract, and you pay taxes from profit. That's it. You could, as a US citizen, you could deal with any countries if you would like to. The only request from government, pay taxes. That's it.
Sounds great.
The government doesn't care what they're doing if you pay taxes, and the only request from them, don't do illegal stuff. Crypto is legal worldwide. Right now, you could buy crypto anywhere in the world, even Africa, whatever. PayPal right now have opportunity to buy crypto through PayPal account. Click and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, whatever.
Sterling, are you still thinking about a potential offering? I think it'd be a first retail offering out there, wouldn't it?
Am I thinking about an offering? I don't understand it enough to think about an offering. So that's the reason why I would,
It's not any different than giving a mutual fund your money and they're trading daily stocks. I mean, then you want your money, it's not any more complicated than that, right, Kirill?
Sure it is, Dan. You have the US regulatory body standing behind it who's willing to come and rescue if you do anything illegal. And you have a SEC portfolio of assets that's willing to cover any type of investor fraud that we all pay into on the exchange as a part of the tax on the transaction. So yeah, there's a whole lot of things different. There's also a separate custodian account that reconciles the transactions that occur each month, through a cashiering process. And everybody is fearful of going to jail because the SEC walks in with the FBI in the event that you took a bunch of money like Barry Madoff. So yeah, there's a whole lot of things different, or at least from my standpoint, when, it's one thing for me to put my money into the process. It's another thing for me to put bigger people's money into the process. And, if you think my questions are tough, wait until you get it in front of Mark. So, I mean,
Right.
So there's I mean, you know, from a fund standpoint, there's all kinds of issues that need to be answered and overcome. And I have to have a greater understanding before I'm willing of that process before I'd be willing to stick it in front of a due diligence officer.
Totally understand. Agree.
Okay. But I mean, what I, if I I'm loaded and giving $1 million is a rounding error, would I potentially take a risk on something that I didn't quite understand? Yeah, maybe. Or would I throw $10,000 or $25,000 at this process to earn my vacation money every year or my travel budget and generate 12,000 bucks a year? Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I mean, that's an
yes. Also, just for understanding how is secure and there is no any problem if you run with us. What is Uniswap? Uniswap was created by Hayden Adams, who was a mechanical engineer from Siemens. And Uniswap raised capital investment from Anderson Horowitz. It's the top crypto fund, and they have like $1 billion investment from different projects. Recently, they opened fourth fund of $3 billion. So this is what Uniswap. So, and once you could track the initial transfers from one account to another account, you will see that everything is white and doesn't need to be scared about anything. And I could connect your legal team with our legal team. If you believe that there is any other options to do it, let's do it. We even could open a license in US if it's needed. For us, it's not a problem. But it's
okay.
the value,
you're meeting with my partner Josh and Ash at 4 p.m. I'll come to that meeting, and because he asked me to, I wasn't necessarily planning on it. And you can educate me further or provide me with some links in order for me to get my comfort level around it, and then we can talk more about that.
Yeah, sure. I'm open for like simple steps in education.
Okay.
But as Dan mentioned, it's like you provide money to another company, they support credit or whatever, and they have profit, and they split the profit between companies. That's it. The same.
Well, I understand how the math works, but I don't understand how the security works. So that's all well and good, but before I give somebody money, I have at least, or should I say, before I give other people's money in a process or sell them on that process, I have to understand what the process is.
Yeah, sure. And you could start from your small amount of money. It's also how it works.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'm going to jump off this call because I have another meeting, but I'll see you at 4 p.m.
Oh, great, guys. Thanks,
I
really.
appreciate it, gentlemen.
Nice
Thanks for letting me
meeting
listen
you.
too.
So you guys are connected, right? Russ
Yes.
and Kirill?
Yes.
Yeah, we were connected before. We exchanged contacts at Ash.
Beautiful. Awesome. Well, you guys have fun at 4 today. I'm jealous.
All right. Take care.
Okay.
Take care, everyone. Thank you.
I will send you the replay too.
Thank you. Right on.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Kirill?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
Now you understand more?
I do. I completely do. And I'm going to get my documents filled out this evening, and then I'm going to open up a Coinbase account.
Once you become billionaire, they will still thinking.
Sounds great. Well, I'm going to sign off. You did a great job explaining things. Yeah, it's going to be, getting comfortable with it with Sterling, and then maybe we'll create potential fund. I think that
actually we need to do. We need to copy Horowitz strategy fund. Just copy how we do legal side, how we do, and we could do everything in the world. We could buy companies we could sell them, we could buy initial investments, whatever. Just for understanding, most of crypto funds, they have also funds and companies registered Singapore, Panama, whatever, because here they couldn't do it, but there is not a problem.
Isn't that right? Wow. So that's awesome. Yeah, that piece on Andreessen Horowitz was very, very helpful.
Yes, because it's not like no-name brand with any money comes out. It's
Yep. Hey, if you could come to the meeting today at 4 o'clock and have a printout of that, that would be helpful. Print out a screenshot of their fund or on the internet, or I mean, yeah.
I could explain. So which meeting we have? Do we have extra meeting?
Nope, we're good.
Okay, I only have. Okay. Okay then. So waiting for your documentation. Put everything in. Like once you're ready to send money, just let me know. I will be online. I explain what to do. I add you to our close community, and let's go further. Let's make business.
Sounds good, buddy. I appreciate it, Krill.
Yes, nice to meet you. And please send me this video. I will upload it to our website.
You bet, absolutely. And then, yeah, good luck today at 4, and call me after.
Yeah, sure. Goodbye.
Sounds good. Bye-bye.